Hi. Good morning. Welcome to our 12th session at #Interstellar Observatory 7, where we discuss the constellations of our perspective in our world and beyond at Berg Mountain Optional University. Come along with us.
12th Celestial Probe. The constellations of our perspective. Only one half of the celestial sphere may be seen. Constellations are nothing more than groups of stars whose magnitude and proximity to each other from our perspective led us to distinguish that set from the rest of the stars in the night skies. As reference points, constellations have helped man navigate the seas, identify his directions and angles, and plan trajectories necessary for achievements on Earth seen on maps seldom reached before. Noticing Polaris, the North Star and yellow supergiant, of Ursa Minor at less than 1 degree away from the celestial pole, we know the Earth and whatever else in the universe is attached is headed in that direction, so we call north, for that reason, up. In December the Earth is closest to and in front of the Sun as it moves around the Milky Way, but from the Tropic of Cancer, 23°26'N, constellations with Ursa Minor which, circumpolar, never set below the horizon include Ursa Major, Cassiopeia, and Cepheus. Rotating like helicopters' blades, when astronomers document, characterize and name inanimate celestial bodies they do so in the only way man can understand, comprehend, or grasp, astrologically. By 400 BCE the zodiac had been divided into 12, 30-degree sections under Babylonians astronomers who understood a broader concept of our world and beyond. Well, because the lunar calendar was developed before the solar, where whether geocentric or heliocentric the same constellation seen about 270 days prior crossing the night skies began again. Gaps of time and space in astronomy are fused by astrology, but on the ecliptic coordinate system the 12 zodiac signs with 76 others make 88 in all, but where and when?
Gaps of time and space in astronomy are fused by astrology, as comprehension wouldn't be without. The difference between astronomy and astrology, reality vs cognition, where a cloud is just a cloud without being that looks like a puppy dog, whereas if it were consistent, man would give it a name as constellations to remember. Division of one from the plethora of others to the collection of but a few, we began to chart the stars taking back shots of what constellations recognized as references for 4 shots. In recognizing our bias perspectives, we identify MacDonald, O'Donnell, and Donaldson as derivatives from LLYS Dawn or the Chord of Dawn, while outside of Wales, called Cassiopeia, it can be seen year-round. The Greek story of Cassiopeia placed in the heavens in close proximity to Earth's northern celestial pole while light years away reminds us of our seemingly insignificant positions here on Earth. In relation to us triangulating our destinations throughout the Earth, Earth's relation to the Burgundian must also be considered.
From Ptolemy's Almagest we know the traditional 48, but in 1922, Henry Norris Russell listed our now 88 we consider modern constellations, where we focus on the 12 on the ecliptic. On the orbit of the Sun around the Milky Way, the Earth orbits the Sun where the ecliptic plane. From Earth's perspective we see night skies from the Sun's relation to stars outside the solar system. The ecliptic coordinate system includes the following constellations. 1. Aries, is seen from 0 degree to 30 degree of the zodiac. The ram from 03/21 to 04/20 is a cardinal fire sign with a positive polarity being the first sign of spring. Libra is its detriment and it's ruled under Mars's domicile. 2. Taurus, is seen from 30 degree to 60 degree of the zodiac. The bull from 04/21 to 05/21 is a fixed earth sign with a negative polarity being and second sign of spring. Scorpio is its detriment and it's ruled under Venus's domicile. 3. Gemini, is seen from 60 degree to 90 degree of the zodiac. The twins from 05/22 to 06/21 is a mutable air sign with a positive polarity being the last sign of spring. Sagittarius is its detriment and it's ruled under Mercury's domicile. 4. Cancer, is seen from 90 degree to 120 degree of the zodiac. The crab from 06/22 to 07/23 is a cardinal water sign with a negative polarity being the first sign of summer. Capricorn is its detriment being under the moon's domicile. 5. Leo, is seen from 120 degree to 150 degree of the zodiac. The lion from 07/24 to 08/23 is a fixed fire sign with a positive polarity and the second sign in summer. Aquarius is its detriment and it's ruled under the sun's domicile. 6. Virgo, is seen from 150 degree to 180 degree of the zodiac. The maiden from 08/24 to 09/23 is a mutable earth sign with a negative polarity and the last sign of summer. Pisces is its detriment and it's ruled under Mercury's domicile. 7. Libra, is seen from 180 degree to 210 degree of the zodiac. The scales from 09/24 to 10/23 is a cardinal air sign with a positive polarity and the first sign of autumn. Aries is its detriment and it's ruled under Venus's domicile. 8. Scorpio Euro is seen from 210 degree to 240 degree of the zodiac. The Scorpion from 10/24 to 11/22 is a fixed water sign with a negative polarity and the second sign of autumn. Taurus is its detriment and it's ruled under Pluto's domicile. 9. Sagittarius, is seen from 240 degree to 270 degree of the zodiac. The Archer from 11/23 to 12/21 is a mutable fire sign with a positive polarity and the last of autumn. Gemini is its detriment and it's ruled under Jupiter's domicile. 10 Capricorn is seen from 270 degree to 300 degree of the zodiac. The Goat from 12/21 to 01/20 is a cardinal earth sign with a negative polarity and the first of winter. Cancer is its detriment and it's ruled under Saturn's domicile. 11 Aquarius is seen from 300 degree to 330 degree of the zodiac. The Water Bearer from 01/21 to 02/19 is a fixed air sign with a positive polarity and the second of winter. Leo is its detriment and it's ruled under Uranus's domicile. 12 Pisces is seen from 330 degree to 360 degree of the zodiac. The Fish from 02/20 to 03/20 is a mutable water sign with a negative polarity and the last of winter. Virgo is its detriment and it's ruled under Neptune's domicile.
So, the answer to where and when we are could only be geocentric is, man is the measure of all things, and light years away stars and constellations define direction as Polaris is pole and Aries. Surely, we've mentioned before that March was considered the first month of the year and the first zodiac sign. Well, Aries is our lateral direction. No, we don't know. We only live life on a ball of dirt orbiting a star that's orbiting a system that's orbiting a galaxy contained in one of 7 conceivable Burgundians.
Gaps of time and space in astronomy are scaled down by astrology. On an ecliptic coordinate system zodiac, constellations are few of all 88. But, yes, where and when?
That's all the information we have for you this time. Next session we discuss the Burgundian divisional diaspora and an only way to comprehend the infinite space and time, the vastness of what little we know of bodies in a universe hurled from some place in time destined for somewhere else far away in space and hopefully further in time, will be. Thank you for your time and consideration.